Concrete bricks on your driveway, weeds, it's a huge issue. Jointed fine here is the product for you. It's the pH that's in the jointed fine. It's the organic binding technology that's in this product here that will control the weeds on your brick paving. It's a huge issue, I get it. On a retrofit, which is existing paving that's been laid for a couple of years, we highly recommend that you use a minimum of a 3,500 psi power washer with a turbo spinner on the lance where the water comes out. Remove all the old jointing material and sand and grit and silt that's in there. Let the paving dry and then apply the jointed fine. It is a serious product. It is a weed control product. There's nothing like the jointed fine anywhere else in the world. It's manufactured here by ourselves in-house. And as I said, it's the binding technology that's in this product that when it comes in contact with water, it expands, filling them cracks all the time, because when you do drive on your concrete bricks, they will slightly move. Hairline cracks will come. But with the jointed fine, that crack will reseal itself again automatically. Just please watch the video before you start the application, and if you have any questions, please come back to us. Again, we love sharing knowledge. It's info@jointed.com. Dedicated team here, only love helping you.